Listing today, July 27th, 2024, Ford Transit Connect long wheelbase day van camper. It's the 1.5 TDCI model, diesel, in excellent condition. If there's anything on the van, I'll point it out, damage, etc. I've fitted two fixed side windows and two rear tinted, limo tinted windows. Just a walk around the body first. It's about 4.5 years old now. When I purchased the van, this door, it's a cat end basically, this door was damaged, slight nick on the rear and a little dent on the door here. Still a bit of a ripple there, that could be done, but it's actually quite difficult to see. So you can see my feet better in the picture. That's about it. A couple of little tiny little bits there. I think I'll just touch those in actually. Just a couple of little tiny little scratches. Interior all good, no major wear. Ford floor mats there I've fitted. Let's go to the driver's side. All good with the seats, clean, no damage, no nothing. Interior for a van actually is in really good condition. With the mile, it's at 148,000, so there's a little tiny bit of wear on the steering wheel. That could be replaced, covered. So that was never a major drama for myself. Radio entertainment. You get a readout on the dash as well, different settings, mileage, consumption, etc. 6-speed, gearbox engine, all good, excellent. I like with these as well, you get the little bit of a storage there with a 12 volt. Got a clip of the engine, the car starting engine running. See there's no warning lights, and yeah, they're really good on fuel, these vans. The 55.7 there is urban, it's fantastic. On a motorway run, I think I've had over 74 on a long journey on the motorway. Yeah, normally around 64, 5, superb on fuel. Okay, I'll move on to the interior. It's the black blue model. That's topped up. Fully carpeted, fully insulated, which you can see on previous videos, the roof. I think that's the most important on a smaller van. And carpeted all of the side panels. I think with all the windows it's not necessary to go too crazy on the insulation, but what it does do, it makes them really quiet to drive. They drive exactly like a Focus actually, and they're just as quiet, this one now, with all of the carpeting done. The way I've done it is all the panels, these are removable anyway on the standard model, but if you need to get to any electrics or bodywork, all of these panels here I've done separately, screwed in. Carpeted around the side door there. Added a piece here to sort of tidy up the upper section there. Good storage under the seats as well, similar to the Caddy. Valuables, etc. Done a remote, this is a battery operated system. Lighting, 3 lights on the inner section here. And just remote, there's 2 settings, bright and not so bright. On and off. There's also a 30 minute timer on those as well. Just screw that to the side there. You could move this, put it anywhere if needed. and a vinyl floor, grey vinyl floor. Rear doors carpeted. Alloy edge to the front here, to the side step, and also the bit that's missing, which will be done at the back there, contour in the opening section. Okay, and included with this van is all of the camping stuff, bed, etc. I'll put that in the van in a second. You have a box, food. It's plastic lined with bags in. A seat with a toilet underneath. And that's the Thetford 145 porta potty. The X-frame cot bed, military style, and 2 tables. That one extends. Again, I'll go through that in a second. Inflatable pillow, mattress for the bed, and a camping gas twin burner for the cooking there. Okay, that's the cot bed in. Really nice one, these. You've got extra pockets there on for bits various. That's the self-inflating mattress on. There's a pillow at the end, and these take quite a while to inflate. Just they suck the air in basically. If you need to put any more in, you can add it via there. The seat cover off. Thetford porta potty 145. So height adjustable table there. That's the table on the second height, and this is the smaller fixed height table. And that's the twin burner camping gas stove. It's the storage box at the front there under the bed. So I'll take the bed down and sort of set it up as you'd use it without the bed. And that's with the bed down configuration. I mean, you could do that either way you wanted, but sit there, eat there, another table, storage box, and the bed. So that's my new idea for day van camper vans. I should be buying a few of these long wheelbase vans. There's 4 or 5 I've got lined up. I've actually got a caddy ready, just waiting on a small problem in that one to fix. That should be ready next week. That's a long wheelbase 1.6 caddy. So yeah, there's free UK delivery with this van, 6 months warranty, and I think that's about it. So yeah, it's all covered. Seat, toilet underneath, eating, little table to eat off, or that one, that's height adjustable. You've got storage here, bed for your kip, so multi-use. It just needs a cool box really. That's about the only thing I'd forgot, but again, that's personal taste. You could buy a 12 volt fridge. Cool boxes range from 80 to 380 kind of thing. Again, it's all personal taste, but all the basics are here. It's all the gear at the front there. So again, toilet, gas stove, storage box, mattress, bed, 2 tables, and a bit of mist. I'm listing this today on Auto Trader and eBay, 27th of July 2024.